Now in this part, let us go to the other one, which is all but one fail. So let me go there. Uh, Sorry, all one fail or all one pass. So let me go there and just we tried all pass, we tried all fail. Now we are trying all but one pass. So let's see what message. So here some or all validation did not pass. The message is this, and let's see what error do we have. So it's the error type is validation error, and it's saying that it's an invalid number. Is there anything for not null? No. So it's just saying invalid number. So we just had an invalid integer. So whatever the error was, it printed. If there were multiple errors, it will print the multiple ones. If there will be one error, it will print one of them. So we can make use of that. And now we'll go with the any and see what we have in any pass. So if we are going here. Okay, what happened is in all one fail, email was valid, but it was not a number. That's why it got failed. And when all pass, both it was not null, and also it was an email. And also all one in all fail, neither it was not a number, neither it was a null. So if we are going in any pass, we are checking is email or is null. So it will be valid with is email, but it will not be valid with is null. So let us try this one in Postman. So first let us see what's okay. So it has any pass. So let us change the URL for our request. Um, I just change the URL and see what happens. So said any or all validations passed. So it worked. And now the last one, because any of those passed, so it never threw then any error. Okay, and we have none of them passed now because neither is a number, neither is a null. So uh, let us see what's yeah, we have any none pass here. So I'm going to change my request again. So see, it says awesome or all validation did not pass, and again it showed some error messages.